예세기 차솔기 몸에봐 근육이 주체당 주체 뒤쪽에 가당 소라당 된단 템퍼처가 스타싱에 버 주시지 보유시신 근도원 자성 법자 시자 수기 공수 근정바 등장 항상바 최당 소외 다경 세신이 대신 땅을 리신도 접시 공매기 공시 따로 주택 배만 회ling 차답지 주택 탱카시지 텐신바탕 스링 베기 소리 로가 서주낭네 다벌 라바탈슨 잘레가와 중심 다대기 차르디 용낭의 capsi 대월시 투시당 제바 근종빌레 자가기 내셔 도시된도 돌아가는 편한 템퍼처가 시행보다 자가당 배유기 쿨리예비 내생과 계도 대월시에 수된 계제 사신 주바당 자나 요거잖아 제가 구동 최된 사부 시행보다 루유도 시신 중근 의견 최종당 주대 택시 최기가서 대신 주매기 토록 내신이 들리서 시주기 때 사주 속대 최선 공송 이 공주단의 재단 재신바도 심바데 시신 거론이 소배 내셔고 바유기 맹강의 계속한 도지된 맹강 변도한기 초수 맹강 아단 계속한 아체 냠타나의 시경나와 마세 그 시신의 마근기 시림로다 천배 탐초수 로브라카 된단 바유도 로브라카 숨제 설두시 발주기로 결난데 다시 로브라데 다기나라 로브tuk동레 가버 시행기 고갑 세단 거의 평균제 잡도 조심바도 심바데 실론이 동추이로라 자 용만결 인면만함 침맥길래 현존기 만함 침맥이 소수의 투견 시행기비 죄신 중화낭신 capturing bushes, so the shubes, capturing and John was a chola. So that then on Shuba the Tene Lojang Sung using Ime Malam Tofugi, the Gashi, Chiloni don't you lord, National Cogitendo, Manjurkama, you don't talk with Cotivo, Latul Taman, you don't knock at Hala, Jangan Lama Mihom Bushi, Kabum Yonto, you won't long the Kaji Junction. By you, Shishin, the Bandon Chimotan. capsi 대화시 번디고 친선이 부시기 까봉기 왕롱 레오투메 왕 밀링 대수단 제비 왕체 사시 대신 실주권 국격 국주 없이 없이 유로에 나온다 리진 대수시모 닝마까마 닝틱 예시당 닝틱 잡에 롱첸즈든 당만즈 닝마 규범 capsi 대고 친선이 부시기 수금체긴 자롱나 예비차를 배우시신 분도 리슨 지구에 있는 까봄 용조당 사파주를 부신 까봄 니기 자롱 capsi 대고 친선이 부시는 초빅들이 인격자들이 가공기 자롱 인격자들이 가왕 사만남 짜워서 다대기샤 된단 조이 공공담바 수시바도 신바데 대이행라 로타레시 전이 시신기 죽전당 죽수카 할람 군학생 대조도 대다 탐식이 소근도 수네 죽수당 주생카가 수난게 요래 아니 로타레시 capsi 대화시비기 가공신도 아니 샤칼레 갈와 군상 체계를 수바당 이동 중이 기론에 전에 할람 로시레 로시 하던 그린라 아니 제장도 제가도 도시는 부산 수바 내대 바다 다른 안주기 선언기 보고도 아니 보고 친구 중상 아니 시신 셜록 속바 나도 냠제 속바 뉴욕 산에 옆에 소들 수바 나신 capturing bushes 사실 상마 톱네 다른 안주 도시니 capturing 대화시과 이거 capturing bushes 아니 공조기 전부 20개 백이 아니 총근의 수업만세 다른 미만라 아니 랑중배면이 가왕당 디실랑도 가룹나에게 세를 나타나는 주들라 무시 아슈간 수시바 독생바들 아니 인지기 톱 비디오 수사에 인디마 도장 수기기 His Holiness Appreciation Rabjan Rinpoche, born in 1967, Rinpoche is the grandson and the spiritual higher of Capsi Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche. Since Rinpoche's grandfather's passing in 1991, Capsi Shishan Rabjan Rinpoche has taken the responsibility of transmitting Capsi Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche's teachings and is bringing his vision for the preservation of Tibetan Buddhist teachings and culture to fruition. Capsi Shishan Rabjan Rinpoche is the seventh in the line of the Shishan Rabjan succession The second, Rabjan Rinpoche founded Shechen Monastery in Kham, eastern Tibet. The monastery became one of the 6 main Nyingma monasteries in Tibet, but was destroyed in the mid-20th century during the Cultural Revolution in Tibet. At the age of 3, Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche began receiving teachings from his revered grandfather, and today holds this unbroken lineage. He was raised by Kyabje Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche and attended almost every teachings, Drupchen's 9-day ceremony, and empowerment that he gave during 25 years. Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche traveled throughout the world with Kyabje Khyentse Rinpoche and first visited in the West in 1976. In the early 1980s, Kyabje Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche built Shechen Tengi Targeling Monastery in Nepal and established Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche as its abbot. Today, there are around 750 monks studying and practicing under the guidance of Kyabje Rinpoche. Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche has created an administration and organizations within the monastic community that is a model of education, joyful discipline, and humanitarian activity. Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche has established the Shechen Philosophical College and the Shechen Retreat Center in Nepal in response to the needs of women wanting to practice and study in the lineage of Kyabje Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche. Rinpoche has rebuilt and improved the facilities of the Sisinang Nunnery in Bhutan, where over 200 nuns of all ages study and practice there. In accordance with the wishes of Kyabje Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche, Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche has built a Shechen monastery and study center in Bodh Gaya, India. Rinpoche has maintained an active interest in the preservation of Tibetan culture. He has undertaken the completion of the 8 great stupas of the Peace Project in India and Nepal. Shechen Monastery in Tibet was renowned for its particular style of chant, the sacred dances, and performance of rituals and chant. Kyabje Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche is revitalizing the tradition. Under his leadership, the Shechen sacred dances performers have performed throughout Europe and South America for many years. In an effort to preserve the tradition of sacred traditional Tibetan Thangka painting, Rinpoche has established the Tsering Art School in Nepal. Rinpoche's book, The Great Medicine, was published in English and other languages. Shechen Rabjan Rinpoche has an acute interest in humanitarian projects. He is maintaining the authentic Tibetan Buddhist traditions as taught to him by his grandfather, Kyabje Dewi Khyentse Rinpoche, in combination with the modern interest in the needs of the community and its individuals. Rinpoche supervised the education and upbringing of the young incarnation students at Shechen Monastery. Rinpoche is also the president of the Shechen Monastery and its schools, philosophical colleges, monastery training centers, and retreat centers, an impressive monastery school that includes secular education. Rinpoche presides over 9 days, 9 different Drupchen ceremony annually, as well as spending 3 months in retreat each year. In addition, Rinpoche has completed 4 years retreat in Bhutan. Thank you very much. So now I would like to announce the name list of those who are making a mandala offering to Rinpoche while receiving empowerment. So please line up while I actually read out the name. The first Shechen, Himalayan Shechen followers New York will make a mandala offering as a welcoming mandala offerings and to request the empowerment to be bestowed. And after that, Kharchu Weekend Remember Center, the center of Captain Namkini Puribushe in New York. Please, the board members come and make a line up. Chandrup Norbu, Pema Tenzin, Rinchindamke, Sring Jema, Karma Jema, Gulab Leki, Gurmet Haye, Lama Sangi Dorji, Windu, Puglamo, Kilechurchen, Sonam Eden, Sangi Pema, and after that, take it Kayong Soparesha, Captain Namkini Puribushe, Chozo Shukola, Mental Debushubi, take it Kayong Sopa, Walum Kituk Sopa, Karmarong Kituk Sopa, Karmarong Kituk Sopa Chela, Ari Mukum Kituk Sopa. Only minute. And indeed, Chela, Jema, Sherab Turchi, Sering Chuki, Kinle Chungu, Yeshipermo, Kinle Bom, Dorjizangmo. And after that, Pasang Diki Sherpa, Nawang Damchen Sherpa, Nima Puti Sherpa, Sering Yudin Sherpa, Shuiki Sherpa, Seden Sherpa, Pema Yangji Sherpa, Mingma Chemji Sherpa, Pasang Hamu, Pangkong, Pema Gyalzen Sherpa. And after that, Karman Dorji family and Karman Namdos family, there are 12 people, the name is not included. And Dolpo Hungdam Lavran family, New York. And after that, Tenzin Thaye, Pema Chuki, Sangi Choesang, Jigme Wong Chok, Lobsang Choetal, Penjo Dorji. And after that, another group, Sring Chunzong, Kinle Pem, Kiba, Kinle Jamso, Tandin Wangmo, Tandin Wangmo Yotso, Degi Somo, Karma Wangmo. And after that, another group, Dan Urbu Sherpa, Nimatempa Sherpa, Pema Jammo Sherpa, Lapa Sonam Sherpa, Nimadorma Sherpa. And then another group, Ang Denji Sherpa, Nima Pasang Sherpa, Nima P Sherpa, and Sogyal Sherpa, Dawa J Sherpa, Ang Gazi Sherpa, Dorma Sherpa. And another group of Mandalofin, Sonam Yangchen, Chilel Hamo, Chile Churchen, Sering Yangchen, Sangye Wangmo, Sangye Churchen, Jigme Churchen, Yeshit Hamo, Sangye Wangmo, Tendupema, Pema Drolgar Sansan. And at the end, Tashi Gyalzen and his sister Yangchen Hamo. Please line up and then our volunteer will assist you. Thank you very much.